Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf hook. First, let's address your grip. A strong grip, where your top hand is rotated too far to the right for a right-handed golfer, often leads to a hook. Try weakening your grip slightly by rotating your top hand more to the left so you see fewer knuckles. This adjustment helps keep the club face square at impact, promoting a straighter ball flight. Next, consider your ball position and stance. If the ball is too far back in your stance, it can encourage an inside-out swing path, which often results in a hook. Move the ball slightly forward, especially with your driver, to promote a more neutral path. Also, ensure your feet, hips, and shoulders are aligned parallel to your target line, avoiding a closed stance that can also contribute to a hook. Now, let's talk about your swing path and club face. A hook typically occurs when your swing path is too far from the inside, combined with a closed club face at impact. To correct this, try to feel like you're swinging more from outside in, or even slightly over the top, to neutralize the path. Focus on keeping the club face square to your target line through impact, rather than letting it close too early. Finally, a proper follow-through is crucial. Ensure you finish your swing in a balanced position, with your weight fully transferred to your lead foot and your belt buckle facing the target. This encourages a complete release and helps prevent the club face from closing too quickly. Consistent practice, focusing on these adjustments, will solidify your new swing mechanics. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for these leak-proof containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be hitting straighter shots in no time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.